Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see if someone has blocked you on Facebook. So the thing is that Facebook doesn't provide that option, of course, as you may know. But let's say you want to see if someone has blocked you on Facebook, and if you search that person and you are not able to see any of their posts, or maybe that person doesn't even show up on the search option, that means that the person has blocked you. So right here I'm going to search for a random profile on Facebook. So as you can see right here, I can see this person's posts on Facebook, and of course I can hit that add friend button and so on. But if you are searching someone and you are not able to see their posts, or maybe they are not appearing on your search option, that means that person has blocked you. And of course, if you are able, you can just search for their profile from another Facebook account, let's say your friends or some siblings account. You can search for their profile, and if you are able to find their profile on another Facebook account, that is for certain that that person has blocked you on Facebook. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.